The most dangerous of the winds in Southern California will be dying down tonight, giving firefighters a much-needed break. But CBS's Jonathan Vigliotti has new reporting on how some of them were deployed in the first hours of the disaster.
CBS News has confirmed that as the Palisades fire started, only 19 fire engines were pre-deployed to the area. But it's unclear how many, if any, were sent to the first neighborhood on fire.
This home is going to go up in flames. There are not firefighters around here. They're simply stretched too thin.
LA Fire Chief Kristen Crowley.
We didn't see anybody there for those first 4 hours as literally it went up in flames. There weren't any from our vantage point, and I'm just doing my due diligence.
Right.
I don't know the number. It sounds like it may have been zero.
And we will get you the number as to where. I think it's important that we talk about the pre-deployment side.
Chief Crowley first blamed budget cuts for the lack of resources, but reportedly as many as 1,000 LA firefighters were not initially activated. Some were not asked to stay past their shifts. Others were assigned to non-fire-related 911 calls. It would be another 8 hours before the LA Fire Department sent out an urgent message.
The LAFD has called us to ask people watching, anybody who is an LAFD firefighter, to give them your availability to see if you can come and help fight this fire.
Both Chief Crowley and LA County Fire Chief Anthony Maroney say the extreme Santa Ana winds overwhelmed them. Devastation like this could become the new normal due to climate change.
It's the actions that we take prior to that wind event ever starting that are going to make the most difference, because we all realize there's not enough fire trucks, there's not enough firefighters to extinguish that fast-moving, wind-driven community conflagration that we saw on Tuesday.
The firefight begins long before the flames.
Long before that, and we need to be held accountable.
And we've witnessed the heroism of these first responders for more than a week now. Even some of them have said they needed more support, Norah.